called Class from the Past, Beauty Lies Within. Okay. Hey everybody, it's Jeannie and I have a new box I've never had before. This one is called Class from the Past, Beauty Lies Within. And I just got this in today. I cut the little sills already, but I didn't. This is what it looks like on the inside. As you see, I have not opened my seal yet. So we're going to open that gently because it's a cute little sticker. She reminds me of Doris Day, which I absolutely love. Doris Day. She is like, oh, and it is, because it is Doris Day. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Now, let me tell you, that makes me very happy. Well, I sure thought that was Doris Day, but then I was like, no, it's, you know, somebody dressed nowadays to look like her. But oh my god, it is Doris Day. Because Pillow Talk is absolutely my favorite movie. Her and Rock Hudson, I just love. And then her and Cary Grant. They just are my favorite people. So we have that. So I'm going to have to read that. She was born April 3rd, which today's her birthday. Today's my mom's birthday. 1922. Of course, my mom's not that old. I'm not going to say how old she is, but she's not nearly that old. From The Charming Woman by Helen Fraser, a 1950s magazine publication. Your figure. So there's a little card there that tells. And let's see. Oh my god, it's, you know, I don't even remember doing that, but let me turn that around if y'all can see. This box is absolutely full of stuff. So this is a free gift for you, and it's it feels like there's a sponge in it, but it smells like a sachet. Let's see if I can get it open to see. Yeah, there's a little tie. Sorry if I'm getting that up there. Mail. There we go. It is a face sponge, a powder sponge, and that's not what smells. So that's a little free gift. That was cute. Oh, flower in your own design. A little tin. Organic Yerba Mate loose leaf tea. Oh, fancy. That is a tea leaf that you put your tea leaves in for steeping your tea. It's a little heart shape. That is so precious. Okay, and then here is a little bag with a couple of caramels. Did I pronounce that right? Caramel. Depends on where you're from, I guess. Okay, and then I also have some makeup products. This is Amuse Cosmetics Blush Barbie. That is a very pretty peachy color. It's not showing up on camera that well. Then we have here Blackberry Bliss Bath Tea. So this looks like it has some Epsom salt, Himalayan sea salt, blueberry tea, raspberry tea, chamomile tea, rosemary, hibiscus, rose petals, and pink rosebuds. Alrighty. Now, two white gloves. not 100% sure what the gloves are for, other than Doris Day wore gloves a lot in her movies. Okay. Oh, maybe I put them on. I'm going to have to read the little card. Okay, this says citrus hand saver, unrefined coconut oil, shea butter, avocado butter, apricot oil, arrowroot powder, sweet orange essence oil, and vitamin E. This is called Sweet Escape. Oh my gosh, it smells like heaven. It smells like you could eat it. Aha! Okay, then we have a little jewelry looking box down in here. Oh, and it is. They are a pair of earrings. These are very pretty. Let me, it was out. There we go. Okay, then we have a little purse, pouch, not purse, bag, handbag. Oh, it's insulated too on the inside. Nice. Check that out. Insulated. Okay, and there is still more items down here. Okay, let me see what this one is. It might be an apron. And yes, it is an apron. That is so cute. Hey, look, and it matches my eyes. Courtesy of Jeffree Star. And then in the bottom, there is a postcard with a mama penguin and a baby penguin. It could be a daddy penguin because they take care of their babies too. Families stay together. I think this box, and there's a 30% off on the citrus hand saver and tea bath from the Sweet Escape Spa Delights. That's nice. I'm thinking that some of the proceeds of this go to charity. I will link this box down in the bottom. As far as I know, I don't have a code or anything for them. Like I said, I don't even remember getting this, but this could not have been, okay, out of every box I've ever gotten, I mean, I'm talking FabFitFun. You know me, I love my Look Fantastic boxes. I got the Sweet Sparkle, Ipsy. This is my all-time favorite.